In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unload linked files in Revit using the Manage Links dialog. If your model feels heavy, cluttered, or you just need to focus on a specific scope, unloading links is a safe way to temporarily hide external files without deleting anything. We'll walk through the exact process and I'll explain what you're seeing along the way so you feel confident about the change you're making. First, head to the Manage tab on the ribbon at the top of your Revit window. This tab is where Revit keeps tools that control your project settings and references. Look for the Manage Links tool and click it. When the dialog opens, you'll see a centralized list of everything your project is referencing from outside the current file. That can include other Revit models, CAD formats, IFC files, point clouds, and images. Next, choose the tab that matches the type of link you want to affect. If you're working with a linked Revit model, go to the Revit tab. If it's a DWG or DXF, pick CAD formats. For laser scans, choose point clouds, and for screenshots or logos, use images. Selecting the right tab narrows the list so you don't accidentally act on the wrong file type. Now, select the specific link you want to unload. When you click it, pay attention to the details Revit shows, like the path and the status. The path tells you where the file lives, useful for confirming you've got the correct reference, while the status indicates whether it's currently loaded or not. This helps you double check before making a change. Click Unload. This tells Revit to temporarily remove the link from your active project session. It doesn't delete the file from your computer or remove it from your model forever. The link stays listed in Manage Links, and you can always bring it back later by selecting it and choosing Reload. Unloading is great for improving performance, cleaning up views during coordination, or troubleshooting visibility issues without breaking any connections. Revit will ask you to confirm the unload. This prompt is simply a safeguard to make sure you intended to remove the link from the current session. Click to confirm and you're done. You should notice that elements from that link no longer appear in your views, which can help you work faster and more clearly. If you need the link again, just return to Manage Links, select it and reload. That's the entire process. Quick, reversible.